Hey, what's going on guys, this is Navjot here, back again with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can increase the file upload size limit in the WordPress website, which is installed on Google Cloud. So if you wanna host your website free forever on Google Cloud, then you can check out my this video, link is in the description. Alright, so as you can see, at this time we can only upload a maximum 40 MB of the file, but it is not enough for many people, so let's change the file upload size limit. First, go to your Google Cloud Platform dashboard and click on this SSH button. It will connect to the server in just a few seconds. So after connecting, get the root permission by entering the command sudo -s. To update the file upload size limit, we will need to edit the php.ini file, which is located on this directory if you are using Bitnami WordPress. Otherwise it will different for you. Open it in the nano file editor. Basically, Nano is a text file editor like Notepad in the Windows. After opening this file, you will see this keyboard button on the top. Now click on it and then send key shortcut. Select CTRL and enter W in this field. This shortcut will help you to find a particular keyword in this file. Now enter post_max_size to search in this file and press the enter key. So this is our targeted keyword. Now change the size according to your requirements. So I am okay with 400 MB. Repeat this process by sending the Ctrl and W key and search for upload_max_file size. Enter the file size again in this file. Alright, now send the shortcut key Ctrl and X and then enter Y key to save and hit enter. Now go to your WordPress site and refresh the page. Okay, it's still showing the 40 MB. We will need to restart our server. Again, go to your server terminal and enter the reboot command. Now wait for a few seconds. After restart, reload the WordPress website. So as you can see, our upload limit has been increased. Now you can upload up to 400 MB file. With this method, you can easily increase the upload file size limit. If you have any doubt or facing any issue during this method, please let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you. If you have really enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. As always, see you in the next video.
With